name is Mutaiba from grade 1. First of all, I would like to call Mugira. Mugira, please come for recitation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا صدق الله العظيم. Jazakallah. Now my presentation topic is dry fruits. Now guys, please come one by one. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afnan from grade 1 class. Today I will tell you about peanuts. Peanuts are an oval shape and small nuts that grow under the ground. Peanuts are good source of protein, minerals, vitamins and fiber. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zohaib from grade 1 class. Now I am going to tell you about walnuts. Walnuts are edible nuts which have a wrinkled shape and a hard round shell that is in light brown color. Walnuts grow on trees. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatma from grade 1 class. Today I am going to tell you about pistachio. Pistachio are small green edible nuts. The vitamins, minerals, fats and protein found in pistachio are all good for healthy health. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Inaya Umar from grade 1 class. Today I will tell you about cashew. Cashew is an edible kidney-shaped nut rich in oil and protein, which is roasted shelled before it can be eaten. Thank you.